I want that all my disciples to whom I have given Harinam and Diksha, they should be strong to chant name as much as they can, but not less than 60. And daily 3 times Diksha mantra without fail. One in morning, one in afternoon, but if you cannot do in midtime, you should do in morning 2 times, one for morning and one for and one in evening. Don't fail. I have heard from so many sources that here the devotee are very inspired, but after my departure they became very weak. Sometimes they chant or they hang it on a high place and never chant. Also they don't meditate Diksha mantra because no sadhu sangha. Lack of sadhu sangha is there. Sadhu sangha sarva siddhi hai. Lo matra sadhu sangha sarva siddhi hai. You can come in Vrindavan Braj Mandal Parikrama if no money problem. I am inviting you. And if you can come in Navadip Parikrama in February, March, before February, you can come also. What we have discussed here in class, take in your heart, read our books, and especially as Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj inspired his old disciples, lady or male, to distribute his books even in the midst of ocean, top of hills, here and there, school, college, university, everywhere. So I request my all disciples that you should also distribute my books everywhere, door to door. Here 90% has gun books, but why 10% is remaining? I think that you should, remaining 10% you should take and distribute here and there. I want that my table should be empty. And what I have told, again I am telling you, keep your heart and be happy forever. Go Preman.